โอ้โหสายแต่หน้าร่วงสิครับอย่างนี้ครับเรียบร้อยครับ
Takes up all times. Eva does let her. Referee really needs to pounce here. I don't know why the referee is again.
Dalawang Pinoy na boksingero ang mas matindi pa kay Pacquiao at Casimero. Winasak at pinabagsak lahat ng nakalaban at sinakop ang buong bansang Thailand. Ang hindi kilalang Pinoy na boksingero na lahat ng kalaban ay pinabagsak sa pamamagitan ng KO. Sobrang lakas ng boksingerong ito, tinalo pa si Pacquiao at kwadro alas Janrail Casimero.
โอ้โหสายแต่หน้าร่วงสิครับอย่างนี้ครับเรียบร้อยครับ
Isang di kilalang Pinoy na boksingero ng Magdalena Sorsogon ang gumagawa ng ingay at pangalan ngayon sa bansang Thailand. Mula taong 2022 ay hindi pa ito natalo. Knockout lahat ng Thai na kanyang nakalaban at hindi man lang umabot hanggang round 5 ang mga Thailander na kalaban. Mas matindi pa kay Naoya Inoue kung gumamit ng body shot ang boksingerong Pinoy na ito.
ปัดแหวกการเรียบร้อยครับจบแค่ยกแรกครับ
Queso. Oh, and again, right hook to the body and referee.
Napakalakas ng boksingerong ito dahil 8 sunod-sunod na Thai ang kanyang tinalo sa pamamagitan ng KO. Kaya sa kanyang sobrang husay ay palakpakan talaga ang napakaraming mga tao. Si Ador Preles Torres o mas kilala bilang Ador Torres ay ang tinaguriang Terminator ng Philippine Boxing. Nagmula siya sa bayan ng Magdalena, lalawigan ng Sorsogon. Katulad ng ibang boksingero, nagmula rin sa hirap ang ating pambato. Pagsasaka ang tanging ikinabubuhay nila ng kanyang pamilya. Kaya maagang nabatak ang katawan ng ating bida. At boxing kaibigan ang nakita niyang paraan upang maiyahon ang pamilya sa kahirapan. Hindi naman siya nabigo dahil kinuha agad siya ng Highland Boxing Promotion para sa Thailand lumaban. Dito na siya nagsanay ng gusto sa pakikipaglaban at dinaglaon ay naging kampiyon siya ng Asia Boxing Federation Welterweight Division. Araw ng Miyerkules, October 26 taong 2022, nagsimula ang pananalasa ni Ador Torres sa bansang Thailand sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Haharapin niya rito si Santampub Sobrangkor aka Warampot Jisadajin Jawat, ang isa sa rising star na pambato ng Thailand. Pero ang kanilang ipinagmamalaking pambato nilang ito ay round number 4 lang ang itatagal sa ating boksingero. Dito sa round number 1, unti-unti nang tinatansya ni Kabayan ang galaw ng kanyang kalaban. Wala na itong magawa sa kilos ng ating kababayan.
ซ้ายเข้าหลังครบโอ้โหทิ้งมาซ้ายซ้ายขวาครับครับขวาครับซ้ายโอ้โหตัดลำตัวครับหมัดขวาจากตรงนั้นโอ้โหเจอซ้ายครับหมดยกแรก
Round number 2, matindi rin bumayo ang Thai na boksingero pero mas nakalamang na dito ang ating pambato.
เลยยก2มาโอ้โหไม่ทราบว่าไปขึ้นมาจากไหนยกหน้าแล้วครับคนเลยทนได้เลยครับสถานพบหนีครับหมัดซ้ายนะครับโอ้โหอัปเปอร์คัตโอ้โหบวกหมัดสวยครับแม่ถึงกับชะงักนะครับทางด้านของสถานพบครับหมดยก
Round number 3, kabisado na ni Kabayan ang galaw ng kanyang kalaban. Lagi na itong napapaatras sa bawat kamao na kanyang binibitawan.
นะครับสถานพบตอนนี้ครับเหมือนกับเสือเห็นเหยื่อนะครับกระโจนเข้าใส่เลยครับอดอทอเรสต้องถอยนะครับเจอพลังการบุกของอดอทอเรสต้องระวังนะครับระวังกับปั้นสูงดีแค่นี้เหรออดอทอโอ้โหขวาหน้าครับทางด้านของสถานพบเจออัปเปอร์คัตไม่มีอาการนะครับสถานพบโอ้โหเจอหมัดซ้ายเลยครับซ้ายลำตัวโอ้โหอัปเปอร์คัตขวาครับแม่แทบจะร่วงครับลูกนี้ต้องหมุนออกมาก่อนครับต้องถามใจอดอทอเรสแล้วครับตอนนี้ถามใจเขาแล้วครับว่าจะเอาถึงน็อกไหมต่อยซ้ายเข้าหน้าด้านของสถานพบครับ
Dito sa round number 4, malalakas na patama sa bodega at mga uppercut na powerful ang pinakawala ni Kabayan. Ang brutal na tumapos sa Thai na kalaban.
สังหารพบครับโอ้โหสายแต่หน้าร่วงสิครับอย่างนี้กรรมการ
Makalipas lang ang isang buwan ay muling lumaban ang ating pambato. Araw ng Miyerkules, November 30, taong 2022 sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Haharapin naman niya rito si Pirin Sukmuang, ang isa sa mga halimaw na Thai na boksingero. Pero round 1 lang ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato.
อดอลฟอเรสนะครับเป็นนักมวยจากประเทศฟิลิปปินส์นะครับเป็นมวยซ้ายนะครับมีการชกชนะ5แพ้4เสมอ1เป็นการชนะน็อกเอาท์2ครั้งนะครับมาแบบหนักๆครับนำให้ทางด้านของได้ตื่นนะครับปัดขวากระแทกครับร่วงเลยครับโดนครับดีนะครับเป็นการนับไปถึง8แล้วค่อยๆลุกขึ้นมาไม่ต้องรีบร้อนครับเวลาฝึกให้ดีครับจะแก้เกมยังไงเอาข้างนี้ไม่แปลกครับเราต้องชับได้เราต้องปัดแหวกการเรียบร้อยครับจบแค่ยกแรกครับเขาติดการแข่งขันแค่ยกแรกครับ
Dahil sa napaka-impresibong panalo ng ating pambato ay palakpakan talaga ang napakaraming tao. Makalipas ulit ang isang buwan, araw ng Miyerkules, December 28, taong 2022 sa Space Plus, Bangkok, Thailand. Nilabanan naman ni Ador Torres si Messiah Kawisit, ang pinakamatigas na kanilang pambato. Paglalabanan nila rito ang Asia Boxing Federation welterweight title na kampyonato na hawak ng Thai na boksingero. Pero round 4 lang pala ang itatagal ng kampyon sa ating boksingero.
ซ้ายจับโอ้โหหมัดซ้ายจับหน้าครับโดนแล้วมีอาการเลยครับทางด้านของพิชยาไปทะลุนะครับโอ้โห
Itinigil na dito ng referee ang laban dahil di na kayang lumaban ng Thai na kalaban. At naging bagong kampyon dito ang ating kababayan. Sa pagpasok ng taong 2023, araw ng Huwebes, April 27, nabigyan ulit ng laban ang ating pambato. Dedepensahan niya ang kanyang hawak na titulo sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Si Pirapong Puentuwing ay napakalakas na kanya makakalaban. Pero round number 3 lang ang itatagal nito sa ating kababayan.
Getting it. Good body work again. Two-punch body combination from Ador Torres. Trying to loop that left hook, left uppercut to the body in, and he's getting it. Right hook to the body from Ador Torres. Not phased at all. And another knockdown, and that is it. The referee's calling it off in round number 3.
Kampyon pa rin si Ador Torres sa bansang Thailand at dito na nagsimula ang mga Thai na siya ay katakutan. Araw ng Huwebes, June 29, taong 2023 sa Space Plus, Bangkok, Thailand. Makalipas ang 2 buwan ay muling lumaban si Kabayan. Makakalaban niya ang isa sa pinakamalakas na pambato ng Thailand. Si Sakda Langkabam ay inakalang kayang talunin ang Pilipinong boksingero. Pero round number 2 lang ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato.
Left hand as well, down the right hand. Sakdar still hanging in there. Right hook connects there for Ador Torres. A big right jab. Big hook to the body there, and Sakdar is down. Sakdar is down. He can't count the down fighter. Okay, so and again a right hook to the body, and referee waving it off. So Ador Torres is going to.
Makalipas ang 2 buwan, araw ulit ng Huwebes, September 28, taong 2023 sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Napalaban naman si Torres kay Pantawit Soperom na may alias na Dintrit Sitsotong. Pero katulad ng mga naunang Thai na boksingero, round number 2 lang din ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato.
Off the two, Elon Ador's southpaw stance. Tong will be able to capture it and be the new champion. That's just hit the chin. short. And Adol Torres with a straight punch flurry, and that's going to be the end of round one. It was normally with the left hand, left hook, and that's what he's doing as Adol Torres slightly straight from Torres as well. So here we go, there's that just touching away and landing with power with the right hook. Left hook to the upstairs and left hook to the body there again. There you go again. Wisely just landed some light combinations to Detrit's side. It's Detrit's upper body, and there you go. Detrit's down with a body shot. It doesn't look like he's going to get up. Torres just
Ngayong taong 2024, araw ng Huwebes, March 28, isa na namang Thai na boksingero ang naghamon sa kanyang trono. Si Wampichit Siripana ay inakala rin na kayang talunin ng ating bida. Pero katulad ng mga nauna, round number 4 lang ang itinagal niya. Dito sa round number 4, suka na ng dugo ang Thai na kalaban. Hindi na niya kinakaya ang bawat kamao na binibitawan ng ating kababayan.
แยกแม่นดูครับอดอร์ทอเรส
Again, dancing around with that nice jab, flicking out combinations.
นะครับปัดซ้ายไปครับวันพิชิตอดอร์ทอเรส
Adol Torres with a nice combination, and he needs to do something because this referee is looking very closely here.
ลูกหนักตอน
Wampichit now needs to come alive, and a beautiful, and I don't think they're doing enough.
ให้วันพิชิตต่อยก่อน
Adol Torres now has Wampichit where he wants him.
ซ้าย
He needs to just keep bullying Wampichit right now, just constantly throwing combinations.
อุ้ยออกมา
It's a rounds.
อัพเลยครับอัพประคัดขวาอาศัยจังหวะแล้วครับอดอร์ทอเรสครับวนซ้ายทีขวาที
Looking for a reason to now step in, I believe, because Wampichit, although dangerous, isn't doing anything to defend himself against these shots. Do not give the referee a reason, and like I said,
Dahil sa matinding pagkalasing ng Thai na kalaban, idineklara ng panalo ang ating kababayan. Nito lang araw ng Huwebes, May 30 taong 2024 ay napalaban ulit si Torres sa Space Plus Arena. Sa pagkakataong ito, isa na sa pinakamalakas na Thai boxer ang iniharap sa kanya. Si Satsada Pitakdantay aka Singmanasak Jim ay isa daw sa pinakamahalimaw na Thai na boksingero, pero binugbog lang ito ng ating pambato.
he doesn't throw a lot, but he gets the shot through. Jatsada Singmanasak Jim, representing a legendary gym here in town, likes to go to the body clean. Very nicely done by Adol Torres, and there it is. Oh, and nearly connects with it. He's finding exactly where his opponent is, and he goes alive with that nice combination. Is the bell. Takes on time. Think about a bat. When a bat is trying to find their opponent is or where their prey is. And nice right hand downstairs by Adol Torres, and a shovel punch upstairs on Thailand. Adol Torres in the Adol Torres lands a big stiff left for Lander Leon and set the pace of the fight. Charge him with the left hand. Fights before, I've seen him go down and get rocked lit into a fight, definitely hurting as he goes downstairs of a right. Adol Torres just starting to fire off, but he eats a left of sixth and final round. Adol Torres, like a machine gun, fires that combination forward and the left hand downstairs.
Si Adol Torres ay maaaring di mo kilalang boksingero na ating kababayan, pero isa rin siya sa di-kalibring manlalaban na nagbibigay ng karangalan sa ating inang bayan. Pinoy na mas malakas pa kay Terence Crawford. Pinabagsak ang lahat ng nakalaban. Hinakot ang lahat ng belt, titulo at kampyonato sa welterweight division. Nagsitayuan at kinilabutan ang lahat ng tao dahil sa sobrang lakas ng ating boksingero.
Protects himself at all times. Even does that hurt. Referee really needs to pounce here. I don't know why the referee is again.
And he eats a right hand as well. Round number 2. But there it is again.
And also the punches to the body. And here we go on.
Purong Pinoy na hybrid na boksingero ang magpapabagsak kay Terence Crawford sa ibabaw ng lona. Si Terence Crawford ay ang isa sa pinakamalakas na boksingero sa welterweight division. Undefeated at 2 times undisputed champion, pero siya ay ilang beses ding narugi sa ibabaw ng lona. Sa pagsibol na mas pinahybrid na Pinoy na boksingero, may isang Pinoy sa welterweight division na kayang pabagsak bagsakin si Terence Crawford sa ibabaw ng lona. Mula taong 2019 ay hindi pa natatalo ang ating bida. Knockout lahat ng mga nakalaban niya. 6 na bansa ang kanyang pinatumba na hindi nagawa ni Crawford sa talang buhay niya. China, Iran, Pakistan, Indonesia, Thailand at India. 6 na bansa ang pinasuko ng ating bida matapos talunin at pabagsakin ang pinakamahuhusay na boksingero nila. Dahil dito, hinako talaga ng ating pambato ang mga belt at titulo at kampyonato na maaaring mas matindi pa kay Pacquiao ang ating boxing. Berha Montano ay ang tinaguriang El Guapito ng Philippine boxing. Nagmula siya sa Baguio City, Negros Occidental. Katulad ng ibang nangarap na boksingero, nagmula rin sa hirap ang ating pambato at pagsasaka rin ang tanging hanap buhay ng pamilya nito. Mula pagkabata ay bugbog na sa kakatrabaho at maagang nabatak ang katawan ng ating boksingero, kaya napakalakas ng stamina nito. May natural na talento at napakalakas ng kamao nito, kaya kinuha siya ng mga Arabo para hasain ng gusto ang talento nito. Araw ng Sabado, February 4 taong 2023 sa BIC MMA Gym, Dubai, United Arab Emirates ay dumayo ang ating pambato. Haharapin niya rito ang pinakamalakas na boksingero ng bansang China. Si Bashabu na si Wola ay isang higanting Chinong boksingero. Napakalakas nito pero binugbog lang siya ni Joper Montano. Dahil sa impresibong panalo kontra sa napakatangkad na pambato ng China ay nabigyan ng pagkakataon ang ating bida na lumaban para sa Asian Boxing Federation welterweight title. Araw ng Huwebes, March 30 taong 2023, dumayo ang ating bida sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Makakalaban niya rito ang pambato ng bansang Iran na si Kashar Ghasemi na may 100% knockout power ratio sa record na 7 panalo, lahat sa pamamagitan ng KO. Kaya heavy underdog dito ang ating pambato. Pero ang pinakamalakas na pambato ng Iran ay 6 na round lang po ang itatagal sa ating kababayan.
Another southpaw versus northwest. Good left hand from Joffa early on. Good left hand to the body from Joffa. Kashir mimicking and exploit the body of Kashir. Wants to the opposite, cracking left hook to the body from Joffa. So Joffa is slightly maybe hurt, but saved by the belt.
Dito sa round number 6, sumuko na ang kalaban ni kababayan dahil nabali na pala ang balikat niya sa laban. Araw ng Huwebes, June 29, taong 2023 sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Dumayo ang ating pambato na si Joper Montano upang harapin ang isang boksingero na naghamon sa kanyang trono. Si Muhammad Bilal ay ang kinatatakutan ng Pakistan. Bago siya naging boksingero ay naging isa muna siyang leader ng mga bandido. Sa mukha pa lang nito ay parang hindi na siya bubuhay ng tao. Kaya napakabangis ng kanyang naging entrada nito. Idagdag mo pa ang pagiging UFC champion niya. Kaya nakakatakot talaga ang boksingero na kalaban ng ating bida. Meron siyang record na 11 panalo. Siyam dito ay pinatulog niya lahat sa ibabaw ng lona at 3 talo lamang. Samantalang si Joffer Montaño ay meron namang 15 panalo. 13 dito ay sa pamamagitan ng KO at mas marami na 5 talo. Kaya heavy underdog po dito ang ating pambato. Round number 1, balbasarado at nakakatakot ang kalaban ng ating pambato. Pero hindi naman natinag dito si Joffer Montaño. Agresibo agad ang ating kababayan. Pinakita niya agad ang lakas ng isang Pinoy sa kanyang kalaban.
Orthodox. Jim and Dubai, and third fight to compete for them. So this is what I'm trying to say. If it's who I'm thinking of, very accurate with his straight. And again, going at Mohamed Bilal. Good right hand there from Mohamed. Joffer snubbing it off though and still pushing forward. Right overhand, just missing. 1-2 lands down the middle there from Joffer. Bilal for firing back with his own right hand. That's going to do it.
So round number 2, malakas din pala ang kalaban. Nakipagsabayan din ito sa ating kababayan. Maganda ang kanilang naging palitan at hindi talaga basta-basta ang boksingero ng Pakistan.
From Mohamed Bilal. Right hook to the body there from. Whoa, big miss there from Joffer. Whoa! Ate a huge left hand which put him off balance. A long left hook as well to the body now, and that's it for round 2.
Round number 3, nakukuha na ni Joffer Montaño ang tamang distansya at tempo. Kaya napapaatras na ang kalaban niyang boksingero.
Right hook there. Good left to the body. Oh, good right hook there from Joffer as well as Mohamed. Look, accurate. And he lands with the lining his rhythm and groove in that round, and that's it for round 3.
Sa round number 4, ramdam na talaga ng kalaban ang bigat ng kamao ng ating kababayan. Kaya gusto na nitong makapanggulang at hinedbat na ang ating kababayan.
Oh, and this is probably what Joffer was complaining about earlier, just the duck of the head.
Tuloy ang laban ng dalawang boksingero at dahil sa headbutt ay naging lalong halimaw ang ating pambato para hindi na muling makapanggulang ang kalaban nito.
With the straight left to the body. 1-2 connects though for Joffer that time. Just over the halfway mark. Left straight connects there for Joffer. Again from Joffer connecting and straight down the middle. Ahmed. And Joffer landing with the right hand connects though from Mohamed. Good shot. Sort of woken up a little bit after getting.
Round number 5, puro power shot na ang pinakawala ng ating kababayan. Pero ayaw talaga magpatalo ng kalaban. Puro power shot din ang pinakawala ng boksingero ng Pakistan. Pero mas madiin talaga ang suntok ng ating kababayan.
But coming forward now, change of tactics from the Pakistani fighter. Left hook there from Mohamed. Right overhand there from Mohamed, who's trying to have a firefight in the pocket with Joffer. Good 1-2 there lands for Joffer as it's been a very left hand to the body there, middle. But Joffer with a good flurry and connects it with the left hand, big right hook as well. That's gonna do it.
Sa round number 6, dito natatapusin ng ating kababayan ang paghihirap ng kalaban. Puro powerful na suntok ang pinakawalan ng ating pambato na accurate na tumama sa kalaban nito.
1-2 down the middle from Joffer. Good hook to the body there from Jofra, and right hook to the head as well. Left hand lap. Need to see some offense. Throw as many shots to the body as he can against Jofra.
Dahil sa diin ng kamao ni Joper Montano ay tuluyan ng bumagsak ang kalaban niyang boksingero, pero sobrang yabang nito at tinawanan lang po ang ating pambato.
It's down. It was the left hand from Jofra, and Muhammad is taking a knee.
Muli siyang tumayo at lalaban pa dahil sa kanyang inaakala na mananalo pa siya, pero parusa lang ang matatanggap niya at dito na siya mawawasak dahil hindi na niya kaya.
Okay, it looks like the fight's going to continue. First knockdown in this round, and Jofra going in for the kill. Left hand thrown at Muhammad 3 times in a row, and Muhammad's down for a second time. One more time, and that's going to be it. Is Muhammad going to get up? I don't think he is.
Isang bagong kampiyon na boksingero, si Joper Montano, ang muling magtataas ng karangalan ng mga Pilipino. Mas matindi pa kay Errol Spence Jr. at Terence Crawford ang boksingerong ito, ang papalit kay Manny Pacquiao sa kanyang trono. Naging bagong kampiyon ng WBO Oriental Welterweight Division si Joper Montano, kaya dumagdag na naman ito sa nahakot niyang kampyonato. Araw naman ng Sabado, September 30 taong 2023 sa FCC Gym, Pattaya, Thailand ay muling dumayo ang ating bida. Makakalaban niya rito ang pinakahalimaw ng bansang Indonesia. Si Ribo Kondimang ng Indonesia ay nangako na wawasakin ang ating boksingero, pero round 2 lang pala ang itatagal niya sa ating pambato.
Wearing the red shorts with the white against the southpaw. Very exciting. And it looks like the Filipino is already starting off very strong. The miss. And it looks like we'll get overwhelmed by the power. Right hand landed to the body, and Reva just took a jab in his face. And there it is again. That big left hand that Jofra wants to throw. And there it is. It lands clean on the chin. But Reva, and his head snaps back. Round number 1. And another left hand sends his opponent to the canvas. Joy, he thinks he's won. Reva's tick. You cannot be saved by the bell.
Fighters
And
to your
there it
corner.
is. Round number 2 underway. Pull something out of the bag. I know it's only round number 2. But there it is again. Sending his opponent title. And Reva is up. And the ref is called.
Isang napakatindi at impresibong knockout na panalo ang pinamalas ng ating boksingero, kaya nakuha na naman niya ang kampyonato ng Asian Boxing Federation Welterweight Division. Araw naman ng Sabado, March 30 taong 2024 sa World Sham Stadium, Bangkape, Bangkok, Thailand ay muling dumayo ang ating kababayan. Haharapin niya rito ang pinakamalakas sa bansang Thailand. Si Acharya Wirodjana Sunubol ay kinatatakutan sa welterweight division, pero katulad ng ibang halimaw na boksingero, round number 2 lang din ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato.
Lots of former belts. Here in the center of the ring. We've got another southpaw against Wild. Jofra's now landed a nice body shot, followed up. Not take any of the bait from Acharya as he lands a nice body shot as well. Left downstairs. And another left downstairs lands clean for Jofra Montano. Less than a minute to go, round number 1. As Jofra and it works both ways, and there it is. Very nice job by both of these fighters, Mr. Gold, Mr. Jofra Montano. Just to throw the uppercut. If you're putting your head down, you're going to lose to the uppercut. A big left hand knocks Acharya back, and it looks more off balance than anything, but a beautifully timed left hand win on the scorecards this early. And he eats a right hand as well, which puts him to the canvas.
Kahit na matangkad at napakalaki ng kalaban, nagawa pa rin ni Kabayan na talunin siya sa isang napakagandang knockout na pamamaraan. Nadepensahan na naman ng ating pambato ang kampyonato ng WBO Oriental Welterweight Division. Araw naman ng Linggo, October 6 taong 2024 ay muling dumayo ang ating bida sa Ramidra Lumpini Stadium, Bangkok, Thailand. Nabigyan siya ng pagkakataon para kalabanin ang kampyon na na pambato ng India na si Shiva Thakran. Hawak nito ang titulo ng Universal Boxing Organization Continental Welterweight Division. May record po ang Indianong ito na 19 na panalo, 10 sa pamamagitan ng brutal na KO, kaya crowd favorite talaga siya sa laban na ito. Pero katulad ng ibang boksingero na nakalaban ng ating pambato, round number 5 lang din ang itatagal ng kalabang Indiano.
Victories, 5 defeats, 2 draws, going up against Shiva Thakran on his record 19 victories.
Jofa's going to do. Can he doing that one more time? Jofa's got to just bin things in an orthodox fashion. I know he's in a southpaw boxing style, which can be very difficult to deal with.
Good off on there. Right hook to end the round from
Not
Joffa.
only than this, he's now up against a tough fighter from India, Shiva.
Heavy shots. Let's see if he can.
Sa sobrang lakas ng ating kababayan ay labis na nasaktan ang kanyang kalaban. Napatakbo ito at tuluyang bumagsak sa kamao ni kabayan.
That jab, he gets his opponent to walk into his other hand, and it looks like now Shiva looks hurt, and it looks like he was trying to give up here, but Jofa, taking no prisoners, charges him down.
Yeah, not too sure what happened there. Protects him at all times. Shiva does look hurt. Referee really needs to pounce here. Don't know why the referee isn't getting involved. And still doing the count.
I think he hurt his hand when he was.
Maaari talaga niyang talunin at pabagsakin si Terence Crawford. May ibubuga talaga ang ating kababayan. Siya na ngayon ang bago nating aabangan sa sport na suntukan. Nagbigay siya ng maraming karangalan sa mga Pilipino at di na magtatagal si Joffer Montano ay magiging world champion na natin ito. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.